Good morning, welcome to my rock hotel room. It's 6:30 a.m. We're in Coober Pedy. We're going to Uluru. Today I'm driving 700 plus kilometers to get to Uluru in a 1992 Holden VP Commodore that's been built up to withstand off-road Australian outback. We're raising money for children, Variety, the children's charity. We're doing really well. I appreciate everything we've done. It's been hard work, but the kids appreciate it too. Let's get out there. Let's get on the road. Let's get to breakfast, meet all the other cars, and get to Uluru, the middle of Australia in Northern Territory. That's epic. That's so cool. That's so cool. This is day 5. We're almost halfway. Tonight, I reckon I'll call it halfway of the 2023 Variety Bash. It's pretty damn weird when you wake up in a room with no air. Like, it's just still air. There's no temperature. It's just mild, and there's no natural light. It's just pitch black. It's pretty damn cool. I will admit I probably do need a few more hours sleep. I've been getting 6 hours sleep at the best every day this bash, but tomorrow's a free day, we can catch up. Cheers, let's get on the road. How's that for timing? How's that for timing? That's how it looks outside. It's just a rock face that's been dug out. Hello, Hulk.
How's it going?
Good. Were you trying to run me over?
Yeah, absolutely.
How come?
But I failed.
I know, you hesitated.
I tried so hard. But yeah. No, I thought we'd be on your video.
You are now.
Oh, we are now. Good. How's it going? Good morning. You're not hot, man.
Not as yet.
It's a bit nippy right now.
You will be.
All of it. I was looking at the forecast, it's not going to be too hot.
It's not.
Uluru is about 28.
28. The height of the summer is
Mediterranean, so we operate around 40.
See you at breakfast.
See you at breakfast. Are you cold? Mate, you're gonna be the smart ones in about 3 or 4 hours, trust me.
Yeah, but I know. Yeah,
It's gonna...
I did that at golf.
Hey?
But no, we don't.
Oh.
Just suffer through 3 or 4 hours.
You'll be right.
We're good.
You'll be right. Coober Pedy. Welcome to my cockpit.
Oh, fuck Banaro.
body.
the body shell, you'd get, if the body shell was repairable, you'd get buddy 20, 30 grand just for the body shell.
Wow.
What I was going to say, there's a H&J there. Shame it didn't have the front on it. Tom was.
Oh, really? That's a bugger. I'm just winging it. I think it's that way.
Yeah, you're right.
And then now there's a main road, yeah?
Yeah,
Ooh. Cold? Welcome to breakfast in Coober Pedy. That's the start, and we already have a freaking problem. My tubes to my water sprayers are blocked. We can't spray the windscreen, and we need that for the dust, so that's a great problem to have. We're the last car. We're literally the last car. While we're here doing nothing, I'll just show you what the engine looks like. It looks like that. That's it. Isn't it freaking beautiful? I think so. This is what we're doing today. Start at 0, Coober Pedy. There's a roadhouse at 153 kilometers. Cadney Roadhouse. We keep going straight at 233 kilometers. That's Marla Roadhouse. We swagged at Marla on my first bash and it was amazing under the stars. The border's at 391 and the end of our run, morning run, mind you, 412 kilometers. Good luck. And there's some more mining. Opal mining. I'm here minding my own business and my car's moist again. His tube's unblocked. His power's back. I thought it felt hard. I told you it felt hard. Well, that's good. This is the last fuel stop in the state of South Australia. Cadney Homestead. Check out this road train. It's a truck moving steamrollers. That's freaking huge. Wow, it looks so small when we drove past. It got bigger as we got closer. Oh, mate is here. Our buddies are here. They're gonna get into Uluru tomorrow. 005's here, 93's here.
Good.
There's a hippie here.
Hey.
Hello, hippie.
Hey, here's the video girl.
You want to be famous.
Lady.
No.
Cat, what is it? Cat woman.
Don't.
What you want? Yeah, good morning. Hello. Morning. What is? Wow.
This is old school. This freaking old school. All these places have a pool. Welcome to Mala. Royal Flying Doctor Service. We're in the middle of nowhere. Hi, Mun. Thank you, Mun.
Have you got the bitchy itchy?
Are you itchy? Give a scratch.
Thank you.
Oh, guys, lovely to meet you.
Yeah, do you need anything? Cup of tea or coffee?
We gotta go to Uluru.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we're going there.
People in it.
We made it to Northern Territory, guys. Northern Territory border, South Australia. We did it. We're done. We're going to Uluru.
We'll try. Second time.
You missed.
Trying to run you down.
You missed again. Welcome to Coober Pub. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. That's the roadhouse there. We've just entered the Northern Territory. Epic. Epic. It's really damn hot.
Hello. Goodbye.
Are you done? Oh,
It's got here.
okay.
$219 on fuel.
Wow.
Yeah, big one.
Mitchy's Itchy's doing the job in the Northern Territory.
You get a peel eel, century eel, and all drinking stouts.
Well, I can see the car.
That's right. That is right. It's all good. I did order both of them.
G'day everyone, I'm Mel Spikes and I'm here in the Northern Territory. We're at Coober Pub or Coober Pub, however you want to pronounce it. These guys are covered in flies and I'm not. I'm using Mitchie's Itchies, not down there itchy, around your body itchy. And there's nothing on me. These guys have crap all over them. Would you like some organic?
Yes, please. Give me some Mitchie's Itchies.
Sir?
Oh, why not? Oh, wow.
Oh, no flies. No flies. Put it on your clothes.
Do you need more?
Nah, plenty.
Probably not the face.
My God, there's no flies.
Mitchie's.
It actually works.
Mitchie's, thank you for providing each basher with their own bottle of Mitchie's Itchies. Guys, remember it's organic and it smells like toothpaste. See you in Uluru.
Bye.
That way, bit of tar, and stop when you hit the rock.
So go that way.
Oh, what do we got? T intersection. Here, right, okay.
T-R-T-L.
TL.
TL. Guys, we're on our way to Uluru. We are.
Is there a sign? Coober Pedy?
The Coober Pedy's there. We're on our way to Uluru. The bash notes say, keep driving until you hit the rock. Don't hit the rock.
Car 005 on the dirt.
This is just a normal road with signs on it. We're going to Uluru, aka Ayres Rock. 334 kilometers. Let's go. We've hit the dirt, and Robbo's just told me we just keep going straight on for 200 kilometers on this road, which is just a gravel dirt road with nothing. It's going to be nothing for 200 kilometers. That's incredible. It's like 35 degrees in here right now. My pants are wet from sweat. I'm drenched. Very hot. You guys are gonna do the bash, get a car with aircon and use it. What was that?
Aircon.
But we don't use the aircon. We're saving petrol. Everyone else get a car with aircon and use it. Don't do what I do and get a car with aircon and not use it. Can we use the aircon?
Yeah.
Will the dust come in?
No.
Oh. We'll be right back. That went in all my holes.
There was a bit of dust in there, Mel. I'll go back to recirculate.
Turn the aircon off. Your mom is in the fucking aircon. Family announcement.
005 has same cattle at 123.3.
There's cows on the road. I repeat, family announcement, there's cows on the road. I'm so excited. Where are they? 1, 2, 3.
Yep, we're here now.
Another crash.
Another thing that the new variety manager has done is he stuffed up today's route coordinates again and added another 20 kilometers that we didn't know about. So we calculated the distance that we could get.
Car 93, we have you. We've spotted you at the checkpoint.
We calculated the fuel based on the kilometers they told us, and now we're going to run out of fuel.
Huh?
They're just up on your left, check it out.
05, we've already got you.
Major Mitchells? I think they're Major Mitchells.
Pink hedge.
Hello, Cocky. Are you a Major Mitchell? Perfect. Jeez. We might have a leak, an air leak. Just a little air leak. That's all right. That's a lot of dust. This is where we're staying for the next 2 nights. Looks like there's something there as well. Desert Gardens Hotel.
Hi, welcome to Desert Sands.
Thank you, sir. Why, thank you, sir. Again. I just had a welcome. Oh, it's a garden. I could fish that. There's fish. There's freaking fish in there. That's nice. That's nice. I can't wait to get back and go fishing. Absolutely can't wait. This is fancy. It's very fancy. I feel like I've been here before, but I don't remember it. Was this that time you walked me home when I was really drunk? It is. I feel like it is. Did we have our end of bash party here? Then it's a dream, it's not a memory.
We'll go down that way, shall we?
When were we here?
1:21.
First bash.
Yeah. All these places have a pool. Not you. That was like a 20-minute walk to get to our rooms. Oh. Oh, double bed. Oh. This is really nice. This is really nice. Hello. So we're here for two nights. Tonight we're having a team dinner. It's a free night. Tomorrow we have a free day. Tomorrow night we have a surprise. I'm not even going to tell you what it is. It's just a surprise. We'll see the rock. We'll see Uluru when we see it. We didn't actually finish at Uluru like I thought. So we'll get there when we get there. For now, we rest.
Message? What about the Brits?
I think he's got a few things he's sorting out today.
Oh, actually, the Brits wouldn't know. This is where we did not stay.
This is where we didn't stay, guys. We couldn't afford it. We're on a budget.
Very posh.
Is this a hotel?
Yeah. No, this is not our hotel.
No, but this is a hotel.
Yes.
This is what we couldn't afford.
Sails in the desert.
The sails in the desert. But we can afford to eat here.
Yeah, right.
Makes no sense. Hey, this is a barbecue buffet. It's over there. I've been asked to do a commentary on the all you can eat buffet. Salmon, mussels, prawns, squid, giant oysters which have shrunk. That's part of a pig. Salmon, beef, lamb cutlets. Pumpkin soup, potatoes, veggies, curry, jasmine rice. That was our whoopsie. Butter chicken. Fish, more curry, make your own wok station, lots of carbs, salad area, more salad area, antipasto, veggies. That's your wok station, I'm guessing. And then cake, sugar, and more cake. No, mum, not this one. You can't have this one. And that's it. And that's our tea over there. And there, that's our tea too. We made it. We made it. We made it. What can I say? We did a 700-kilometer plus day from Coober Pedy, where we were sleeping in a cave underground, to Uluru. Ayres Rock is 20-odd kilometers that way. We're going to go there in the morning. We're going to check it out at sunrise. Tomorrow's a free day, so I can do whatever I want, and it's going to be Uluru related, that's for sure. We might even go see the Olgas, I don't know. Anything's possible, but we had a great run. This bash route has simply been one of the best and most memorable bash routes I've ever done. They've done an amazing job. The tracks they've chosen are rough, they're rugged, they're long. Cars are coming together. We're making friends quicker than any other bash we've ever done. We're interacting with each other, and we're not wasting time doing nothing. We're just constantly en route, visiting new places, stopping and just experiencing the bash for what it is. Better than we've ever done, ever. We had a great dinner at a very fancy 5-star restaurant, and I give it 5 stars. It was a buffet. It was called the Sails. I think it was called the Sails. The team got together, we had a good time. Once we have our break, we're heading to Western Australia. To think that we started in little old Bathurst today's day 5. Only 5 days ago we started, and we've already travelled almost 3,000 kilometers is ridiculous. Now we're going to like the remote WA desert. I can't wait, but tomorrow is all about Ayres Rock, Uluru. I'm going to go to bed. Thank you so much for supporting Team Spikes, for supporting me, for interacting with me in my content, donating, buying raffle tickets, just getting involved. It's what it's all about, sharing the journey with me. I absolutely love sharing it with you. You're part of it. I couldn't do it without you. Take care, stay safe, have fun. Good night. I'll see you at Uluru in the morning. Cheers. Beautiful. Good night.